Hey, it's guys here from Coast Caterers back with you again, and in this video we're going to show you the proper technique for peeling shrimp. And once again, if you would please subscribe to our channel, that'd be great, as we have more videos like this coming out pretty regularly. And let's go ahead and get started. So to peel shrimp, it's pretty easy. What you want to do is, you'll see that on shrimp there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shells plus the tail. And what you want to do is you want to go to the third shell in about the middle here. You're going to remove that. The next thing you want to do is squeeze the tail. So squeeze the tail and the rest of the meat comes out. So there's your first peeled shrimp right there. Pretty simple technique. We can do that again, and you'll see it doesn't take that long. Once again, we're just squeezing the bottom of the tail, and it pops out of the tail and the last 2 shells once again. So we've already pretty quickly there peeled 3 shrimp. And one good thing about peeling shrimp is that obviously when you buy shrimp that are still in the shell, as opposed to ones that are already peeled, if you find those at your seafood market or grocery store, the shrimp with the shells on are going to be a little less expensive. And you can see it doesn't really take a whole lot of time to peel the shrimp. Now, these shrimp here are peeled down. You can basically cook them however you want to, because there's no shell on them. Obviously, I wouldn't boil them like a seafood boil, anything like that. You want to have the shell on those still. But for sauteing, frying, grilling, however you're going to cook your shrimp, you want to peel them down like this. With deep frying, one traditional way of doing it is to actually leave the tail on. So you're going to take the first 3 off, then you're going to leave the tail on, don't squeeze it. Then you can put in your egg wash and get ready to fry, roll the batter, deep fry it. You can also leave the tail on. Sometimes people like to leave the tail on when they're grilling the shrimp. So however you want to do it when you're cooking that way. But here's how you peel them down. Here's how you leave it with shrimp on, with shell on rather. And once again, just if you don't want to do that, squeeze your tail, forces the meat out, and there you have the meat there. So that's basically how you are going to peel shrimp. It's pretty easy, not that hard. And once again, we hope you like this video, and we hope you found it informative and easy to follow along with. So once again, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to our channel, that'd be great, as we're going to continue to make more videos like this. So we hope you are getting ready to enjoy some shrimp and get ready to cook some. And once again, this is the guys from Coast Caterers, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for watching.